Every machine carries a past, even when left behind.
Time showed no mercy to this legend. Decay leaves its signature on every surface. Beneath the skin, the heart still waits.
Strength fades when forgotten.
But some legends are chosen to return.
Recovery always begins with trust in steel and balance. Even broken wings can rise again.
Precision matters when history is fragile.
Movement demands restraint.
Every restoration begins at the threshold.
This is where decay meets discipline. The ground marks a new beginning.
Every flaw must be acknowledged.
Neglect leaves its mark inside as well.
Revival starts with understanding. Every repair follows a deliberate path. Every repair follows a deliberate path. Restoration begins by separating what can no longer serve.
The heart must be rebuilt before it can beat again.
Age reveals itself when nothing is hidden.
Every part tells its own story.
Where is honest evidence of time?
Revival begins with cleansing.
Structure matters more than appearance.
Weak metal must be corrected.
Strength is rebuilt one seam at a time. Strength is rebuilt one seam at a time. Strength is rebuilt one seam at a time. Heat fades, integrity remains.
Movement depends on balance. Old systems learn new discipline.
Stopping power demands trust.
Control returns through precision. Contaminated paths must be renewed. Purity restores flow. Damage must be understood before corrected.
Metal remembers its original shape.
Correction requires patience. Iconic lines demand accuracy. Decay is halted, not erased. Life is rebuilt, piece by piece.
The heart is ready to return. Reunion restores purpose.
Structure and motion are restored.
Now, strength gives way to transformation. Surface tells the story the eye remembers.
Nothing hides from preparation.
Protection defines precision.